This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 8th of August. I'm Michael Groff. Yesterday in the valley, a high of 107 degrees after a morning low of 83. The monsoon remains on its break, so with high pressure continuing to build north across the area, temperatures are going to gradually warm today and tomorrow, but the moisture will return later this week and this weekend, and so will the chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoons and evenings. Let's talk about it as we look outside this morning here at 6 a.m. A few clouds in the valley right now, but mostly clear skies prevail. 82 degrees in Sky Harbor. The dew point is 48, so it's going to feel more comfortable when you step out there this morning. Relative humidity 30%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, mid and upper 70s in the coolest valley locations, mid 80s still in the urban core. The water vapor satellite view tells the story here in the southwest. Dry air continues, but the ridge is starting to build back toward the north, and the monsoon moisture isn't that far away, sitting there across northwest Mexico. Abundant subtropical moisture down there. Here's the watch warning map. Fire danger continues to be the big story across the Pacific Northwest, and quite frankly, heading well on up into western Canada. Major wildfires continue to burn there. On the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe storms today, parts of Colorado and New Mexico. And as far as our weather, let's delve into that right now. And to do that, we'll look at the models. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. The view across North America up there at 500 millibars, or about 18,000 feet off the ground. The big players on the board, high pressure across northern Mexico, another ridge off the Pacific Northwest coast, and between those systems, a little trough undercutting the ridge near the central California coast. So the flow aloft today, generally west and southwesterly. That means dry air will continue to be advected into the southwest. Mostly sunny skies here in the valley today. Highs 106 to 109, so it's going to be toasty, but at least the humidity levels will be relatively low. Tonight, mostly clear skies, lows in the upper 70s to mid 80s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny skies continue, highs 108 to 111. That should be the warmest day of the forecast period, with high pressure continuing to build north. Can't rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm in the southeast corner of the state, but of course here in the valley, no chance of rain. On Thursday, the flow aloft starts to turn a bit more southerly to southeasterly as high pressure expands north and eastward. And so a few showers and thunderstorms in the eastern third of the state. Maybe one of those showers or storms creeps its way into the south central deserts, including Phoenix. I would say the more likely event is that we'll see some blowing dust Thursday afternoon and evening. Highs will back off just a bit too, with the slowly increasing humidity. Will be around 106 to 109 with partly cloudy skies. On Friday, an inverted trough beginning to move into northern Mexico, and we'll have to watch that carefully. Meanwhile, south to southeasterly flow will continue here across Arizona. The monsoon moisture slowly working its way back in. Humidity levels coming up, partly sunny skies, temperatures going down. Highs 103 to 106 on Friday, with at least a slight chance of late afternoon and evening showers and storms. A slightly better chance of showers and storms coming in this weekend. Still some forecast uncertainty, but it does appear that a pretty decent inverted trough will sit across northern Mexico, and that will help to enhance shower and thunderstorm development here across the state. Partly sunny skies, highs 100 to 103 on Saturday, with again about a 1 in 4 chance, I'd say, of showers and storms, and that may ultimately need to be increased if that inverted trough does verify. Same thing on Sunday, highs in the upper 90s to about 102. It'll be muggy, it'll be partly sunny, and there will be a chance of late afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. On Monday, some troughing begins to once again reemerge in the central and northern California coastal regions and across the Pacific Northwest, but maybe some weak shortwave energy moves in here from the Pacific, combined with a continued southerly flow here over the southwest. So the GFS was initially showing us drying out here, but now it still shows scattered showers and thunderstorms hanging on across the state. Continued humid conditions, highs in the upper 90s to 102, so temperatures remain below normal. Let's go out to a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 15th of August. Again, a low sitting over the central California coast. Kind of looks like a drier flow of air, but hard to say at this point because there's evidence of some tropical moisture, some hurricane action or tropical storm action well off the southern Mexican coast there. And that could start to affect us, but of course the GFS loves to paint in those rogue tropical systems out here. High temperatures would be at or below normal, though, if this verifies, still in the upper 90s to about 102. Really about the same thing for Wednesday, the 16th of August. Still showing some moisture coming in here for at least widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then here's the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday, the 17th of August. High pressure somewhere over West Texas, a generally south to southeasterly flow. There's a hurricane off of the Baja coast. I don't know if that's even going to be here. We're talking a feature that's 8 or 10 days out, so no need to get too concerned about that right now. But if that happens to verify, certainly something we'll need to keep our eyes on. Temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Yes, warm for the next few days, but then look at those numbers coming down by this weekend and into next week. And through much of middle August, temperatures at or below normal. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video comes back here tomorrow morning. Really do appreciate you watching. Thanks for checking us out. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to us so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there, stay cool, have a great Tuesday.